Currently Non-Collectible is a financial hardship program that the IRS offers. My name is Sergio Melendez. I have resolved millions of dollars on behalf of my clients throughout my many years' experience. Today, I will be discussing the non-collectible status. Currently, non-collectible status is one of the great programs out there that the IRS offers when you're experiencing financial hardship. Although this might be somehow of a settlement, because there's one key piece of information that you should also know with non-collectible status. Remember that the IRS only has 10 years to collect on the balance, only 10 years. So when you're put on non-collectible status, it does not extend that date. So one of the first things you got to figure out is, when does the balance expire with the IRS? When does the IRS no longer have a right to collect this money? When you figure that out, you know, this date, like if you just freshly file a tax return, you owe the balance, it's the only balance you owe, the IRS is gonna have 10 years to collect. So non-collectible status is good enough for about 2 to 4 years. In 2 to 4 years, the IRS reviews your situation again, see if you're making more money, and probably deem you collectible. So non-collectible status may not be the appropriate route. Maybe you might want to look into maybe offer in compromise. However, if the date is so close, maybe it's only 2 or 3 years away, the non-collectible status might be the appropriate solution because it does not extend the date. The forms you have to fill out is, with collections, there's basically 2 different levels of collections. One is when you call the 800 number, ACS. The other is when it gets assigned a local collector. The local collector are the people that come to your house, knock on your door, they leave a business card, they make your life hell. So with the ACS, you fill out form 433F. With local collector, you fill out the form 433A, and whatever form you have to fill out, you have to submit supporting documentation such as proof of income. So if you're an employee, at least 3 months of pay stubs. If you're self-employed, it has to be a profit and loss statement. If you're also an employee, then you have to submit 3 months of bank statements, 3 months of any type of reasonable living expenses you do pay, and if you're self-employed, it has to be about 6 months worth. So that is non-collectible in a nutshell. It is one of the great programs out there. It's a great alternative to the offer in compromise, and sometimes the non-collectible status is the better option, especially if that 10-year date is right around the corner. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, give us a call. We're more than happy to review your case. If you like this video, remember to click like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.